So far, Brave has helped me earn more than 2,000 tokens, which are worth $701. Today, I'm waiting for my income to reach $800. I'll send this amount to my Binance wallet so I can cash it out as real money. You can use Windows, Android, or iOS without any restrictions. Both of these devices will work fine with them. Most likely, you visit tens of websites every day. You turn on your device, open your browser, and spend hours and hours on the internet using social media, watching videos, listening to music, and reading articles. These are the four most common things people do with browsers today. But what if I told you there could be a fifth use, one that you'd be interested in learning about making money? Yes, you may make money online just by utilizing specific browsers. Use this browser for 7 days, and you might earn up to $700. So stay tuned till the finish to learn the hidden technique. Let's get some money now. Let us now discuss Brave. You should know that Brave is basically a browser similar to Google. However, unlike Google, you receive great accuracy on results based on your search keywords. As the search engine with the best online privacy, Brave also claims to be faster and more secure than Chrome. Let me assure you that Brave is identical in terms of efficiency, navigation, and speedy results that are highly relevant to what you're looking for. But one simple word is what sets Brave apart from Google and other sites: making money. With Brave, you can actually make money by looking at content and supporting the people you like. You can make $700 in 7 days if you use this browser. Now, how exactly does Brave pay you? If you scroll down the main page to the section called Advanced Features, you'll see 3 major offerings: Advanced Security, Brave Rewards, and Crypto Wallet. Let's pay more attention to the one in the middle, called Brave Rewards. If you click on it, it will take you to this page. By opting into privacy-preserving first-party ads, you can earn crypto tokens for your attention. You can earn crypto tokens just by browsing with Brave Rewards and use them for nearly anything: cash, gift cards, crypto, and more. With Brave, if you know a little bit about cryptocurrencies, I want you to know that this Brave Brass has its own cryptocurrency token that can be exchanged for real money. This token is known as the Basic Attention Token because that's all you need to do to make money with their browser online. Basic Attention Token is currently trading at around 29 cents in the crypto market at the time this recording. You could trade your earned tokens for real money for free on many crypto sites like Bayonets. When you download and open the browser on the Brave platform, it would look like this. So far, I've made more than 2,000 BAT, which is about $701. Today, I'm waiting for my earnings to reach $800. I'll send this amount to my Binance wallet so I can cash it out as real money. Also, you should know that I've made over 800 BAT so far in October and given 100 tokens as a gift to some creators. Since I started using Brave browser here, I've gotten over 38,000 tracker blocks, saving me 1 gigabyte of internet usage and 32 minutes of my time when trying to close pop-up advertising. So you should be happy to hear that Brave works perfectly on every device you own. You can use either Android or iOS, and they will both work just fine on your device. By default, the Brave browser gets rid of all the creepy ads and trackers on every website you visit. Then you can choose to see private ads for Brave. Then it gives you the choice to see Brave private ads. When you look at the personalized ads from Brave private ads, you get paid. If you like what you've seen so far, please click the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the latest videos. Let's go on. Companies pay Brave browser to display their advertisements on this service, and you receive a commission on the payment for each ad. You will be rewarded with Basic Attention tokens if you successfully watch. I think Brave browser will always be private and free. So what do the Brave ads look like? I can't show you some on my browser because I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube's advertisers. However, this website provides a detailed overview of them. They can come as a sleek background image on a new browser tab, or as a card in your Brave newsfeed, or even a small push notification. Now, what can you do with the Basic Attention tokens you earn? You can trade it for gift cards, store and swap it like any other crypto asset in your crypto wallet, buy NFTs, and more. So this one is really great. Go ahead and go back to the homepage to join the more than 50 million people who trust Brave for a faster, safer web. Click here to download Brave and use this browser for 7 days to earn $700. Let's do a quick live demo right now in this browser so you can see how wonderful the Brave browser is. The first thing we do is look at google.com. Let's look for Wikipedia and open it right away. Going back, and we'll search for Google Trending and choose Google Trend. Looking good, Taylor Swift, Kim Kardashian, and World Cup football. If you have any questions about this video, you can answer that in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.